Okay, guys, that's the hallway. That's the room. That's the door. Okay, it's in the hallway. And we're here. New room, we just arrived. Welcome to SFO, San Francisco. So what we have here, we have an ironing board, iron. That's your closet. Faye already occupied it. We have a kettle, thank goodness. Complimentaries, small TV. What else do we have here? Oh, the mini rubbish bin. We have some wine glass, I guess. Oh, we have a bar fridge here. Oh, that's good. Oh no, that's you put it there, yeah. Okay, we have a lamp there. We have a watch. We have a fan in between. We have a phone. Two lamps, a heater. What do we have here? Do we have a view? There's a fire escape. Let's have a look. No need. Very dark. Too late now. Okay. That's the toilet, I guess. What's the switch? You have your shower, sliding door. Well, how do you turn on the lights here? Oh, it's over there. There it is. Hello. Mi amor. We already prepared all our stuff. Okay. Look at my hair. Okay, that's the shower. We have a sliding door here. Okay. Need a bath. Okay, that's your loo. Okay. Two single beds as usual. Yay! New place, new room. Welcome to San Francisco. Woo! Good night. Hello, San Francisco. Faye and I are here. Please be nice to us. There's no one here. See? Because I'm looking at the fireflies. And on this side, nothing. But yeah, there's a nice cold breeze here. Oh, Rose like that. Okay, let's go. Ooh, oh, yes. The curtains there. We did a shopping provisions here. Mission account. Oh, face stuff. Ta-da! So if you want a quick bite, go to Walgreens or CVS. If you're having some cravings midnight, travel hack. Yours truly. Thank you. Bye. I think this is free. What do you think, man? Is it a free? Ooh. So this is Union Square according to Faye. I'm not sure because I just woke up. I have yet to do a little bit of exploration and googling. Nice.
Drift away, afraid.
Hey, and what time to reach? Both of us are on our phones. Out.
To stay.
Who cares? Okay, are we gonna cross or what? So what's the significance of Union Square, Mom? Okay. Let's see. There's a big red bus here, so we might consider taking the big bus. Okay, so we're near a big red bus. Big bus tours here. We're gonna take the big bus, hop on, hop off. We have yet to decide on that one. Anyway, good to know that we are nearby Union Square. I still have the app, so once we decide, then this is the first destination, I guess. Powell and Mason Street. Okay, so that's the Powell Mason. Okay, I think it's free, man.
Is it free?
I'm not sure. Well, it's better than going uphill. You see? We're going uphill over there.
No, I think it's free. Sabi mo nga, oh, Powell.
Okay.
Oh,
Maybe it's like a
Market
city tram or
Street and
something.
Fisherman's Wharf.
Yeah, but
No, I think it's free, Daddy.
yeah.
Your fare and
That's the tram slash bus. So it's my first time seeing a tram and bus that's combined. Huh? See? The bus goes on the same rail line, but not really. But it's connected to the cables up there. Interesting engineering. The marvels of technology. Oh, here's another one. See? I've been using this emoji from Facebook Messenger. I didn't really fully understood. It's that one. It's coming here. See? The bus slash tram. Yeah, let's wait for it to come here. There it is. It's coming. There it is. It's got rubber wheels. It's like a shopping center here. There's so many big brands.
Street, because the sign is there.
Oh, Market Street. What is it? Ooh, okay.
We forgot that we need our parents, our father's attention.
Exploration once again.
Mom's attention. He comes to her and he says, Mama, Mom. And he pats on her butt and he pulls her shirt and says, Mom,
Yeah.
Mom. And he'll call insistently to get his mother's attention.
See how cute. What's this one? Okay, go inside. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push,
Be
push,
careful
push.
with your phone.
Push, 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 push. So nice. That's nice, Mom. Guess where we are? We're at the Philippine Consulate. Philippines. Okay, Mom. Philippine Consulate. Haha. What number is it? 447. So we chanced upon this building, following that AI car. We're on. What street is this, ma'am? Saturn na daw, ma'am? How? Not sure. Okay. Notre Dame Victories. Okay. Exploration again. This is downhill. Okay, so we managed to explore, reach San Francisco, Chinatown. Walking around, we discovered the Philippine Embassy, the McDonald's beside the Philippine Embassy, also the Union Square, and this AI car going around, a driverless car. So at the moment we are here exploring the streets of Chinatown. We are staying at Sutter Street, Amari Hotel. Ooh, plenty souvenirs here. Souvenirs. Ooh, souvenir shops. Face on the opposite side of the road. She's over there. Hey, she's coming here. See? Whoop. That's AI. AI car. There he is. You're gonna turn right. There is driverless car. Ooh. Finally got it. See? Our church is here. Woo! Trademark. Chinatown. Right. She's building up here. It says something on the facade. It's a different route. Whoop. Oh, it stops in the middle. What happened? Oh. Alright, it just gets passengers in the middle of the road. Ooh. Awesome. Awesome, some dim sum.
Mary, Daddy, this Mary.
Huh?
This is the St. Mary's Church.
Oh, St. Mary's Church.
Yes,
Okay.
so the building there.
Okay, you're so good. Your eye is so sharp. That's Faye. See? She's filming me too. And the vlogs, guys. The things you don't see. Ooh.
I'll cut this and I'll send it to you.
Let's go. Ooh. Art Deco's here.
Make sure na hindi yung mga tao.
Yeah. Ooh, gonna capture you. Oh. Where is he going? Where is he going? Where are you going? No driver, no driver. Aha!
See the